Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing this cute Pusheen ice cream sandwich. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing a large sideways oval. Now let's move inside and draw the face. Let's start inside on the right, and let's draw the first ear with a bump up and down. And now let's leave a gap, and let's do the same thing on the left. Next, in the center between the ears, let's draw a diagonal pill shape like this. And the same thing on the right and on the left. Next, let's hop underneath and draw the mouth. Let's draw a curve down and to the left and to the right. And now let's add 2 circles for the eyes. And now let's color them both in black. Now let's hop to the sides and add the whiskers. Let's draw 2 curves on the right side and 2 on the left. And that's it for the face. Next, let's hop down and draw the ice cream. From the sides, let's step in and let's draw a line down on the left and the same thing on the right. And now let's connect them at the bottom with a curve across. Now at the bottom, let's draw a curve on the left and on the right. And then another curve across the bottom. And that's it for the shape of the body. Next, let's move inside and draw some sprinkles. Let's start off in the middle and let's draw 2 diagonal pill shapes. Now on the right, let's draw 2 more going in the opposite direction. And on the left, let's draw an angled one up at the top, and then one underneath, like this. Now on the left, let's add another one angled in the middle here. And on the right, one going upwards, and then another angled one above this one. And then 2 more on the left side. And then 2 on the right. And that's it for the sprinkles. Next, let's move down and draw the feet. Let's draw 2 curves down underneath on the right. And then 1 on the back left. Next, let's move up and draw the tail. On the top left, let's draw a curve up, curve it around, and back down. And now let's add 4 curves inside for the stripes. And that's it for this Pusheen ice cream sandwich. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!